Jai Shivra guys. Today we are going to discuss the topic how negative energy will kill the synergy. Now example, two kingdoms are preparing for a war. Instead of fighting with the enemy, they are fighting with each other because they want to prove one kingdom is smarter than another kingdom. So the meeting started with the angriness and disagreements. Whenever one soldier giving the advice, at that time another soldier rejecting that one. Same happens with the general also, same happens with the king also. So what we have to do here? So here soldier lose the hope before starting the war. So here everyone lose hope, and before starting the war only kingdom and other things are collapsing from inside. Now what you have to do here? See here why this is happening. See, whenever in your team one negative energy will come in your team or anywhere, so at that time people will not listen, first of all. Second thing, you will lose the creativity. Third thing, they will they will dissatisfied with everything, they will go into failure, they will compromise, these things will happen. Now so what you have to do? See, in history, if you will check, in historical scenarios, kingdom will fail not because of the external factor but because of the internal politics or internal factors. So you have to find out what is the negative scenario which is affecting your current meeting or current team or current whatever the scenario it is. So then and then only you will kill that energy, and then you will go towards the synergy. Now how you will achieve the synergy? Okay, now you all know what is a negative energy which will impact synergy and everything. Now negative energy, now from this what is proved? Negative energy will kill the synergy. Now what you have to do? So whenever you have trust, openness, respect, okay, trust, openness and respect, then you will go towards synergy level. And whenever you have ego, disagreement, selfishness, at that time you will kill the synergy, and at that time your team will also broke. So that at that time same kingdom will fall with the internal scenarios, not because of the external factors. First you have to check within yourself, then you can find the others factor. For becoming successful, 3 things you have to follow, guys. First, try to wake up at 5 am, try this for 30 consistent days. Second, just like I took book reading challenge, you can also take any challenge like gym challenge, running challenge, try that for 30 consistent days. And discipline is very, very important, guys. If you want to do 7 am task, so you have to do at 7 am only. If you will do that 7 pm, then it will not affect you. So these things matter. And third thing, write down your daily, weekly, monthly task in your notebook. Definitely, guys, you will be successful in the long run. If you want your friend, family member to be successful, share this video with them, and you can also part of the synergy by following my channel. You can follow me on YouTube, Insta, everywhere I am having same name with @reader Vikas M. Thank you.